Scene 1. Aerial shots of spectacular landscapes filled with natural beauty, resilient deserts, serene mountains, dense forests, calm rivers. The visual grandeur invites viewers into reflection as the camera pans to a throne bathed in warm, divine light. Narrator, King of the Kingdom of God. Behold, the tapestry of time woven with the threads of wisdom from every age and every land. Humankind exists as the salt of the earth, refreshing, preserving, unifying. And true vision does not arise from the eyes, but from the heart. A miraculous lens gifted to those who embrace their role as stewards of creation. Scene 2. Transition to historical settings. We see Chief Seattle addressing his tribe against the backdrop of a vivid sunrise over an expansive plain. Chief Seattle, actor. My friends, our earth does not belong to man. Rather, man belongs to the earth. Deep within our spirits, a vision, clear as the morning light, reminds us to live in harmony with every leaf, every stone, every whisper of the wind. This vision transcends the body. It originates in the eternal spirit. Scene shifts seamlessly to a warm, vibrant moment in an Australian Aboriginal community. The elder gathers around a fire with several young listeners. Australian Aboriginal elder, actor. During Dreamtime, our ancestors sang to the rhythms of the earth, finding wisdom among the stones and stories in the skies. Those who live without spirit sight are forever searching. Let your inner vision guide you. Hear the land's song, for it will teach you all you need to know. Scene 3. We are suddenly inside a sacred mosque in the Middle East, where an Islamic scholar teaches a group of students in an enlightened discussion. Imam al-Ghazali, actor. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad, who said, "The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others." This guidance calls us to unify as caretakers of Allah's manifestations. True vision does not discriminate. It embodies love and realization that kindness is our ultimate compass. Scene 4. Soft chants and bells echo as the narrative shifts to a serene temple hidden in misty mountains, where Buddha teaches with radiant calm. Buddha, actor. Enlightenment lies not in reaching faraway heavens, but within discovering the truths of your heart and mind. Remember, as I said, we are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. Your inner sight, untarnished by distraction, carries wisdom enough to light even the darkest shadows. Scene 5. A collage renders glimpses into diverse traditions. Meditation circles, indigenous dances, acts of kindness, and persons finding solace in nature. The serene montage culminates with the throne of the King of the Kingdom of God once again, glowing. Narrator, King of the Kingdom of God. Across lifetimes and lands, wisdom whispers truths that all humanity shares: compassion, respect, wonder. Together, diverse in creed yet united in vision, we ascend into peace not by straining to see, but by learning to feel. Let the quiet truth of your inner vision guide you, for within our diversity lies our strength, the bond of humanity.